inspired look. I have so many people requesting this look, and I'm really excited to finally do this. I don't know what took so long. It's fairly simple. I just think I needed to find the wig because there's no way my natural hair could do this, and I felt like I couldn't capture the look. Of course, everything will be linked down below for the wig and this outfit that I felt was very Fran from the Nanny. But what I also wanted to show you guys today was something that I felt was also very Fran. So if you guys are interested in learning about Moissanite rings, then continue watching this portion. But if you're not, of course, all links will be down below to skip to the makeup tutorial section. But I really wanted to talk to you guys about this brand called ReadYourHeart. They are a jewelry brand that specializes in like engagement rings, any type of rings for special occasions. If you are not into getting actual diamond rings, or if you're interested in saving money, then this is really perfect for you, Moissanite style rings. And also, like, let's say that you lost your engagement ring and that was like a buttload of money. You can get a replacement that is Moissanite, and it's very inexpensive and it looks just like a diamond ring. So I'm gonna show you guys two styles that I felt like really went with Fran. She's very glamorous, super stylish, and I'm going to show you guys the case and the authenticity about Read Your Heart. But first and foremost, something really important, if you are interested in getting a Moissanite ring, a replacement, or anything sparkling like me, like I would just use it as a promise ring and to fend off other guys. So I could just have a nice ring for me and my boyfriend, my significant other. But my coupon code is Nicole15. That's going to be displayed here in the middle of the screen. So this is how they come in these cute little boxes. Very proposal worthy or promise ring worthy. So if you're a guy watching this portion, this is really cute and important. Your girlfriend is going to love this, or whoever you're giving this to, like this. So this is the style I chose right here, and it is a halo pear cut Moissanite Pave sterling silver. They say engagement ring, but I'm gonna use this kind of like a promise ring or just for decoration. I know a lot of girls that just wear rings on the right hand, and this one for 1 carat is $160. I mean, that completely and totally beats the whole portion of over $1,000, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks on. So this is how the ring looks. It's so beautiful. I saw it and I was like completely blown away. I'm going to turn my flash on my phone so you guys can see the way it sparkles. It's very, I mean, of course I want a diamond ring, but I'm just saying, like, when I go on trips and I don't want to lose my actual diamond ring, but I want to still show my man that I am an engaged woman, and everybody else, obviously, like, these are perfect to take on trips, because if you lose these, like, it's $160 and it looks absolutely real, and it's so beautiful and stunning. Like, I could look at this. I love this shape so much. So gorgeous. I could look at this ring all day. I'm gonna insert some phone footage so you guys can see like a boomerang of how sparkly it is. And then what I also love about this is it comes in little baggies. So let's say you are getting this to your loved one, and I mean, they give you a bag and then it shows you how to care for it and everything, the origin, their story, where it comes from, how it stemmed. And then also it has a certificate of authenticity right here. So if you guys aren't sure, it has everything about this ring in here. So it shows you guys the proportions, the grading scales, the clarity characteristics, the report, everything. This is amazing. All that stuff comes with your ring. And I do have another style in case you guys are not interested in the pear cut, but the pear cut is super popular right now. And I do have another style. This is a 3-stone moissanite. I'll show you guys. It's so pretty. This one's also really pretty and fits me perfect. I'm a size 4 in ring. I have a tiny finger. But here's the other one. This is just like your typical engagement style ring. Just the circular diamond shape. It's not a diamond, it's moissanite. So
yeah. But like I said, I'm not really engaged, so I would probably put it on this hand. Hopefully one day soon, you guys, but this is how this one looks. So pretty. I do have a little clip right here of what Moissanite jewelry is, in case you guys are interested. But yeah, I don't want to spend too much time because I know you guys came here for the tutorial, but this was also really important. I felt like this went with Fran, and if you guys just stumbled across this video for a Fran makeup tutorial and you recently lost your engagement ring and you don't know what to do, and I found a solution for you, then great. But all of these rings, everything about Read Your Heart will be down below. Remember, I do have a coupon code if you guys are interested in these rings. So without further ado, let's get glamorous and turn into Fran from the Nanny. So I am just taking a neutral palette here, and I'm just going to be setting the eye with a white beige-ish eyeshadow. Now you guys have seen me do this before. This is just going to be the Fran version right here. So just set your eye with a white beige eyeshadow. Anyways, if you guys have any tips on how to get lighting to not make somebody look so washed out, I get that people watching this aren't always YouTubers, but if anybody has any tips, please let me know. Now I'm just taking this taupe color and using this brush right here and going over my eyelash curler, and you want to make sure that that taupe color is brought all the way to the inner corner of your eye, because if you look at a lot of Fran's pictures, it was brought that close. She's very smoldering eyes, great cat shape, what everybody is going for right now. So yeah, you want to make sure that's what's a little bit different from the other makeup tutorials that I've done, is you want to bring this more towards the inner corner of the eye and use nice cool eyeshadow tones, nothing warm. Everything she wore is incredibly iconic. Like, I don't know how they had the budget for such an amazing wardrobe. I don't know how they came. Their stylist was just amazing. I want all her outfits and I would wear a lot of them. They're super cool and cute. So I just wanted to say that really quickly. So I'm just repeating everything on the other eye. You really want to make sure that you just blend all out like so and bring it towards the inner corner using cool taupe colors. I am going to take a darker brown here in a minute, but I'm just showing you guys the gravity of blending. You just want to make sure that you blend, blend, blend. I have been really lazy with blending lately, so this actually took a lot for me. I was so late to work this day. I always shoot my videos at like 6 in the morning, and I always think that they're gonna go way quicker, but they never do. So then I am just, of course, blending still. So I'm gonna show you guys the next eyeshadow in a bit, but I am just using that white eyeshadow again to patch that up, because you do lose that shade when you blend a lot. Then go back in with that taupe color just a bit. Make sure that you guys are blending. And I am going to go in with the Norvina palette actually right after. Just if you have a palette that has all neutral tones, just use that one. I don't have one single palette that has a bunch of neutrals, so I have to always go in with a bunch of different ones. Now this has more of a purpley undertone in this dark brown eyeshadow, so use an eyeshadow with a purple undertone. Nothing too red. If you go through her pictures, in the 90s, early 90s and late 90s, they used more cooler toned eyeshadows. I feel like brighter eyeshadows was more in the 80s, 70s, and 60s, and now it's come back obviously with copper tones, as you see, but cool tones were very popular in the 90s, so stick to mauve cool tone browns, and you just want to kind of build up that color and bring it out into a pointed shape. You can use tape if you'd like, but every time I use tape, the eyeshadow comes out pretty harsh, so that's why I'm just kind of guiding my eyes through the bones. And kind of bring whatever's left on your brush into the inner corner as well. And you're gonna keep wanting to touch up that outer corner and then also the white eyeshadow in the middle, because you don't wanna lose that at all. But what makes Fran's eyes so unique is the way she does her eyeliner, or her makeup artist does it. And what they do is they like extend it in the inner corner, kind of like a Cleopatra look. And you'll see me do that once I'm done blending my eyeshadow. I just wanted to be very careful, because if you don't blend with these cool colors, it can look chalky. So once I am done blending, I am going to take, oh, I guess I didn't do eyeliner next, but you want to take that same taupe eyeshadow and bring it on your lower lash line. on both eyes. Obviously, I did notice she had some eyeshadow on her lower lash line too. And I am going to take this black eyeliner and kind of make a point in the inner corner like so, and then a cat winged eyeliner. Now, I can't really tell too much how her eyeliner looks, but I can see that they did drag her inner corners. So make sure you at least do that. If you don't want to use liquid eyeliner and you want to use black eyeshadow, that works too. Makes it more 90s. This is definitely a little bit more of a modern take, but I liked it and I thought it looked very Fran. So make sure you repeat on both eyes. If you have a boo-boo, it's okay. You can always wipe it off. I know I did, but I didn't show it on camera. I messed up on the, and well, the inner corner kind of like slipped and smudged, so I had to like wipe off like my whole eye. And then I take some lashes that are more fluttery towards the ends, nothing too dramatic. These are Eyelure lashes, and they just have an outer corner flare. She didn't wear like really dramatic lashes or anything. Make sure your eye lashes are coated thoroughly and you get the lower lashes as well. I can't ever get my camera to focus when I do the lower lashes, so I can't ever show that, but I did make sure to coat those lashes as well. And I know you guys, it's not rocket science. Everyone knows how to do their bottom lashes. So then you want to stick those babies on, and the eyes should be complete afterwards just by sealing some eyeliner on over that lash glue. So then I am just taking some mascara on the lashes just to get the outer corners to look more fluttery. And I am just using a bright pink blush for my cheeks. Like I said, my lighting really flushes me out, you guys. I don't know what to do, so you can barely see the color of the blush, but I intensely put blush on. The only time you can really see my makeup is when I use a backdrop, but I just don't have time to set that up in the morning. So now I am taking Cherry by MAC, and then I'm going to take Cabernet by Jordana because she has a vampy red lip. Like, a lot of the times she does remind me of Elvira. I feel like that's kind of her inspo, so I'm going to make a vampire type of red lip look. I'm just taking Smoky Rouge by Lancome, but Maybelline has a lot of really great dark lipsticks. You don't have to use anything bougie like me. I even went in with like a Jeffree Star liquid lip. I can't remember what it's called, but just to get that vampy, just take a dark wine, Cabernet, like wine color for your lips. And that is the Fran makeup. Look at how pretty that is. Now this wig right here I got from Khalees on Amazon. I just typed in the Nanny wig on Amazon.com, and this is the one. So I'll link that down below if you guys are interested in the wig. And then the top I felt like was very Fran, and I got that from Yes Style. So I'll link that too in case y'all are interested. Just fix the wig to make it more like Fran. So I feel like this was a very Nanny inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and as always, all links will be down below, and I will see you in my next tutorial, my nostalgic videos. Okay, bye guys, see you soon.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video and learning how to become Fran with me. Like always, everything will be linked down below. This top, the wig, and then also the Read Your Heart rings. I'm so glad I was able to do this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video.